Yeah, it's your boy T Fresh. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to cover my three ICT favorite area I use in my day-to-day basics. If you are new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe to Backgrounding to recommend my videos to people that wants to learn about forex, wants to learn about trading in general. So today I'm here to share with you guys my three ICT PDRAs, my three favorite IPC. I pick some one or two things from it and comment down below. So my first and my favorite PDRAs would be the FUG, which is the fair value gap. So and next the FUG is an imbalance that show the rapid movement on price and the that shows rapid movement on price and the situational power in the market. And FUG is a candlestick, three candlestick pattern that forms. The first and third candle creates a gap for the price to come back to fill in the inefficiency, then moves to continue the move. As you can see on my screen here, this is an FUG here. You can see price created this rapid big move here. Then it came back to fill the inefficiency here before continuing the move. That's the buy model, and the sell model is this one here. This price rapidly sold off, then came back to filling the inefficiency, then continue its move. One thing that I like about FUG is that it's very easy to identify and very easy to use to trade off from. So it's not complicated, Shege, because when you see an FUG, you can't unsee it. It's very simple to spot and very easy to draw out. So if you can add few things to it, you can really make cool money from it. From only using FUG, you can make crazy lot of money from only trading FUG trade. So that's it for FUG. The next in line is order block. Order block. Order block is a very good PDRA tool. So ask now is the last down candle before they move to the opposite side, or the last up candle close before they move to the opposite side, and price tends to revisit those candles, those zones back before the continuation of the move in the direction of the previous move. So and for the sell side, last up look candle, price tends to come back to that zone to fill and to take more order from that zone before continuing the move. So order block is a very good one also to add to your arsenal because it's not hard to draw out, not hard to identify, very easy to draw, very easy to use. So you just need to find the better one out of it. Probably you can add your fib level to it to make it more attractive and more okay for you to trade and to get the very precise points you can trade from. So you understand when you combine the FUG, when you combine the when you combine the this thing fib retracement to it, you can get a very good entry from it. So next in line will be my third one, which is the last one for this video. And this is the only the three PDRs I use, and the last one will be breaker blocks. Breaker blocks. So breaker blocks is a trend, it's a reversal sign. It's a reversal sign because price was actually moving in one direction before before we see the breaks, then the retest of that zone to continue to the opposite side. You know, so this is breaker block in a nutshell. And breaker block self is also easy to use. But just that the way I use my own breaker block, I don't use it on higher time frame, I only use it on the lower time frame. And why is because is well I like using it on the lower time frame because you tend to miss trade less because on the lower time frame, that's your entry time frame, price might not really revisit that your FUG or that your other block in those time frames because price might tend to move fast on those time frames. Boom. Do you understand? And the only thing you can use probably price can revisit it week to be the breaker block. So I tend entering my trade on breaker block. Sorry for that. So breaker block. So I use breaker block mostly on my not even most every time, but I use breaker block only on my entry time frame. I don't use it much on my I don't use it on my higher time frame. So the two ARRAYS I use on my higher time frame is the other block and the figure gap. Breaker block I only use it on the lower time frame, which is my entry time frame. So it's very easy to drop out that draw out. That's the last the sell will be the last down close candle for price move up. Because breaker block itself is also an order block in a that is also an order block that feels old because this price was actually coming from here. As you can see what I drew out here now. This price was already this price was in an uptrend before and we expect this zone to hold to pull the price up, but we broke it, then we test it under. So breaker block is an order block that failed to hold, that fails to hold price, and price will test it under, turning into support turn resistant to move to the opposite side. So same thing goes to the buy side. We also expected this thing to hold. When price was coming here, we expected it to touch here and to sell off, but no, breached it, then retest it to continue to the opposite side. So breaker block is an order block that fails to hold price. That's simply put. And I use those breaker blocks on only on my entry time frames. Only on my entry time frames. I don't use on my higher time frames. So let's go onto the chart to identify some of these. So identify all these PDRAs listed here now. So let's go there. As you can see straight up, this is an FUG here. You can see this candle, and this candle. You can see price touched back into that zone, then continue its move. And also, this is an FUG here. So this is an FUG here again. Now I told you guys FUG is a three pounder candles that create a gap within the first and the third one. You can see this is an FUG here. Price repeated it and continue moving. So you see more on FUG than the other tools. And here we can see what you can see here is another block right here that price touch back into, and we see the move. So when we go to the chart, we identify more. You can go to the lower time frames to see more, even change pair to see more of that. So uh, you guys, is simply another block also. Yeah, you can see price lifted that place resume week, then boom, it moves to the upside. Where again? Where. You can see there is also another block here. Price talking to, then move to the downside. I think we call this one. I call this one with my guys. So which one is that? Okay, I think the last one will be the breaker blocks. And like I said, I only use the breaker blocks on my lower time frame. That's my entry time frame. That's when I've seen my higher time frame other block or FUG, then When I come down to my lower time frame, which is my entry time frame, I now apply the breaker blocks. And you can see, let's break down this one here. You can see the FEG on the daily time frames here. I'm going to the 1 hour right here real quick. I real quick. What can we see here? Let's go to 15 minutes. What can we see here? You can see the breaker block right here. You can see the breaker block right here. You can see it. So this was the last push. You can see price was trending. This was the last push that created a high. The price created a trend from this high to this low. Price moved, then drop again, move back, then drop again. So from this point to this point, there's a FEG here, and there's also there was a breaker block here. But there's a down close candle before this move to the upside, and price broke it back, broke it down, retested it here. So this was where your entry would have been. So for a theta stop, this will be your stop loss. Or for a consecutive stop loss, this will be it. So you're targeting the downside. I don't know. So that's the breakout blocks here. So do well to backtest this on your own time. Do well to backtest it. Do well to backtest these three things to see how efficient they are. So do well to backtest it and identify it, My goal is just come here to show you guys what I do, but you need to put it on. So you need to put the work so to know about these things, know how to do these things better at your own pace. You understand? So these are the three PDRs I use on a daily basis to trade the forex market. So thank you guys for watching my video. Do well. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't liked, subscribe, please do, and turn on your bell, your notification bell. So when I drop the next video, you'll be the first to watch it. See you in my next video. Stay blessed and be blessed. Peace out, guys.